narinig niyo tungkol dun sa...
Patagal ko.
Anong narinig niyo tungkol dun sa issue sa SM?
Wala. Uy, Sinja, ikaw na.
Kaya,
Hindi ko masyado upan yan.
pero,
May issue in the first place, di ba?
sa SM.
Ako taga dito.
Ay, okay po.
Taga-Laon yun.
Basta against kami.
Anong against?
Ang alam ko dyan, tapos na yan, naaprubahan na sa Maynila yan eh. So, ewan ko kung may magagawa pa tayo, pero alam ko, okay na talaga.
Kung expansion naman ang inisip nila, siguro may iba pang paraan, di ba? Para wag lang yung mga bowling na ganyan. Bowling, ano ba yung tawag nila? Basta yung bowling.
Ang pine trees kasi para sa akin ang pinakasimbolo ng Baguio. Parang nakilala sila dahil dito. Kaya hindi dapat putulin yung mga pine trees.
Nauubos na kasi yung mga puno dito sa Baguio eh. Tapos baka ang iniisip lang nila yung pagpaparkal lang nila.
Oo nga, para lang sa parking.
Mas maganda na lang na buhayin nila yung puno kaysa sirain nila yung mga puno.
Since taga dito ako, antay naman ako dyan eh. Kasi given regards sa 182 trees yan, kahit sabihin nilang i-replace sila yan kung saan-saan, still substantial amount ng numbers ng trees yan. At saka, isa pa is, kung napapansin yung mga trees doon, pag inalis yun, dehado rin SM. Kasi yung lalo na nagsusupport doon, supported by trees rin lang. Pag nawala yung trees doon, baka may chance ang gumuho.
We are against it. Institutionally, UP Baguio has expressed publicly its position against the cutting or earth balling of the trees at SM.
For me, it's really more the symbolic aspect. I mean, they can talk about like we'll plant 5,000 trees, for one tree that's being cut off, but it's not that. No, I think for maybe those of us from Baguio and those who have adopted Baguio as their home, you look at Baguio as a place where it's green. No, unfortunately, it's not that green anymore now. But whatever green is there, if we can keep that, then I think that's very important. No, so for the memories for us, because that's what makes a society prosper. It's not just the things. No, so how Baguio is defined? It is defined by its environment.
It is really urgent and important na ma-retain pa rin yung greenery dito sa specific location na to kasi otherwise wala na talagang matitirang natural spots in the city, especially in the heart of the city.
Ayaw namin maputol yung mga puno kasi unang-una, masisira yung kalikasan natin. Possible na pag tinanggal to, yung ipapalit to yung malls, di ba? Papalitan ng parking lot, etc. So magko-contribute to more pollution na naman. So ayaw namin yun. Sana mahinto na.
Baguio City has been my home for 14 years. And the pine trees are part of this land. They're part of the home. And when I think of pine trees and the thought of actually having these trees killed per se, I feel like the land, the Ili is crying. Baguio City is crying.
It's so very bad. If you cut the trees, it's so devilish. I love trees because they give us shade. And they protect us from the sun. So we will not get tired.
I want people to know the reasons, and I want people to know that they can actually help and stop the cutting and the earth balling of the trees, because the people of Baguio and the people of the Philippines are actually powerful enough. When we come together to oppose, our voices must be heard, and they can be heard.